You can find glitter dots in the Crayola aisle at your local store.
Hey everyone, I'm Casey, and this is another Glitter Dots Challenge! Today's contestants are JJ and Sandy, and they're going to be doing the Crayola Glitter Dots Waterfall Challenge. For this challenge, they're each gonna have one of these cups. They're gonna run over to our Glitter Dots waterfall and catch as many glitter dots as they can. The catch is they can only use 3 colors for their pinwheel. Sandy's colors are purple, gold, and green. JJ's colors are teal, silver, and red. And the winner of today's challenge is going to win the most epic prize ever! Let's see how they do. 3, 2, 1, let's craft. And the girls are off to the races. It looks like they're catching plenty of glitter dots, but let's see if any of them are the right colors. Okay, they're heading back to their stations. Now they have to sort through and find their special colors. Sandy's looking for purple, gold, and green. JJ's searching hard for the teal, silver, and red. Oh, JJ's starting on the smallest star. Now that they have their colors sorted out, it seems like a breeze putting the glitter dots onto the pinwheel. Whoa, it looks like they both finished their first piece at the same time. Now it's back to the glitter dots waterfall. Here goes round 2. Sandy is looking for gold, and JJ is looking for silver. Both these ladies are cruising along on their craft projects. It's so easy to be precise with the Crayola glitter dots. It looks like they're both starting on the biggest section now, but one of them may have to run back to the waterfall before they can continue. Who's it gonna be? It's Sandy! Sandy's heading back, but now JJ's going to the waterfall. They are both moving fast. Who will win? Sandy's working hard to find just the right colors. They're both moving fast, but I think Sandy's pulling ahead. Whoa, they're neck and neck. This could be anybody's game. I'm done. Well, it looks like JJ won! Yay! I know it looked like Sandy was pulling ahead there for a second, but this is a real comeback story. Look at how the pinwheels shimmer whenever they turn. It's so glittery. These pinwheels look glitter-tastic. Wow, I love how these colors all go together. Look at that sparkle. Let's see what JJ wins. The world's biggest glitter dot! Thanks for watching another Glitter Dots Challenge! Be sure to like and subscribe for more Crayola Glitter Dots videos. Bye!
You can find glitter dots in the Crayola aisle at your local store.